This is John from DJB Gas Services. I want to take a moment to describe the gas supply system that's been designed to provide gases for the flame-offs for the CHAMPS glass game shows. Beginning with, first of all, 24-hour supervision and guarding on the system, which is handled by the security guard. The system includes a propane supply manifold and hoses, as well as an oxygen supply system and all the hoses. And I'll show you in more detail. And I'd like to show the propane supply system that we provided for the CHAMPS flame-off. Again, this equipment is manufactured by Concoa, and again, they make supply systems for welding schools and for larger volume applications like this one. It features the ability to connect up to 6 cylinders of propane to the same supply. Each one of the supply pigtails from the propane cylinders is provided with a check valve and a flash arrestor, which is according to code. Individual shutoffs for each side, for each set of systems, a main shutoff valve to cut supply, a control regulator to allow us to control the pressure. The pressure that we're using is approximately 35 to 40 psi, which is very low. The hose that we're using is actually rated to 3,000. The hose again is a 3/4 inch inside diameter propane hose that is again the same grade and type that's used by the military and by large steel foundries for this type of application. The cylinders right now hold 25 gallons apiece, which is basically 100 pounds. So here we have basically 150 pounds or 150 gallons of propane available, which gives us enough vapor supply to supply enough gas. Again, the pressure on the propane is approximately 35 going into the system. The pressure on the oxygen is approximately 100. The supply is from 4 to 7 180 liter liquid oxygen dewars. That's what these are. These are pressurized to about 250, 300 pounds, and they're all connected to deliver their liquid into this liquid manifold. This is the liquid manifold manufactured by Concoa. They design liquid systems for everyone, including the government, the Navy, and the Air Force. This is the same type of system. The liquid oxygen leaves the tanks and enters this manifold, is supplied into this device, which is the vaporizer. The vaporizer converts the liquid into a gas, and it's rated for much more pressure than we're using. We're using about 100, possibly 100 pounds of pressure downline into the green hose here. This is 3/4 inch hose. It's the same grade of hose that's used by the U.S. government, by all the steel foundries, for supplying larger quantities of oxygen for these types of systems. The system also features a system for assisting these cylinders to push the gas out. So we have what's considered a vent manifold with some extra lines that combine the pressure of all cylinders so that they can be forcing the gas uniformly into the vaporizer. There's a control regulator in the back that gives us final control and a final shutoff for the supply of gas into the show.